This lesson is all about the character formatting. Okay, in front of you can see a paragraph, and here at the top you can see a ribbon MS Word. Okay, and we will start from the font settings. Different font settings are here, like bold, italic, underline, strike, you know, subscript, superscript, different cases available. So let's see one by one. Suppose I have to change the, make it bold, this one, so it can be bold. Okay, this font is actually a unique font, so changes are not applying. Let me choose a normal font. Okay, suppose this is, it is already bold. As you can see, it is highlighting here. I have selected this font, so it is showing bold. Let's see another one. Suppose this one, now it is bold now. Okay, so it means that you can bold the particular text unless it is not a unique font, right? Let's make it simple, right? And of course we can make it italic like this, underline. We can do the, choose the color for that particular font, right? As you can see, I can show you in zoom like this, right? And different things we can apply here, like we can change it, the text background. Okay, we can apply the color on the text background. Different color options we can apply, right? We can, you can say we can highlight this. We are highlighting actually the background text, right? So like this, and if I make to make line over the text, so this is strike through, like this you can apply. Okay, and suppose in mathematics you always write formulas. Okay, suppose x square plus 2. Now in a simple typing it won't, write as a formula, so you have to make it in a formula like x square. You have to make it x square. So with the superscript option you have to choose like this, right? So this way you can always go for the option, right? So x square, right? So this way. And if you have to make it like base, so this subscript option help us to make it like x base 2. So this way you can apply the formula settings, right? Use it in a formula. So these are the settings, right? You can highlight the text, you can make it bold, you can strike through. So this is all. And there are the, in the underline tab you can see a different types of lining. This one, like this one, if I do the underline, double lining is here in dotted lines. Okay, so these are the lines which you can have it as a setting in your document. Okay, let's move on to the next thing, that we can change the font type. Different font types are here. Okay, as you can see, right? A different font settings are available. And yes, you can increase the font size from here. Select the text, increase the font, decrease the font. Here also you can increase the font, decrease the font. So this is all the settings about font sizes, right? Now let's move on to the next feature is change case. Okay, so this is the change case feature option is here. Okay, so I'm showing you here how it works. Suppose this is a sentence, right? And let me select this sentence. Okay, now move on to the change case feature. Let's see what information it has. Change all the selected text to uppercase, lowercase, or other common capitalization. So first click on this. There are 5 types of change case options. Okay, so first is sentence case. So what is sentence case means? See the changes, did you notice that? So every sentence what you select, it convert into the sentence case, means there is no capitalization in that sentence case, right? So it works like a normal sentence, normal typing you do. Okay, now move on to the next option is lowercase. For the lowercase, let me select this one. Okay, now this sentence I have selected here, this text. Now let me perform the lowercase. So lowercase, all the letters, all the text which is selected now converted into small letters. Okay, lowercase means all the letters will be converted into small letters. Now move on to the next option, uppercase. Obviously uppercase, every letter what you selected, every text what you selected, it will convert it into the capital. Okay, now move on to the next option, capitalized each word. So let me select this one. Now let's see what happens. As you can see, so capitalized means what it did, that the selected text, like decode, the first letter of the word will be capitalized in capitalized each word. So every word what you have selected in the sentence will, their first letter will be capitalized, right? Now what is toggle case? In toggle case, as you noticed very clearly here, that what the small letters converted into capital and all the capital letters turn into small.